Guys, I want you to take a look at this website over here. All I've been doing is I've been copying the link of this website over here and converting this entire website to a PDF document. Utilizing the strategy, I've managed to earn over $1,100 this morning so far, gross revenue, with a total net revenue of $688 today. Yesterday being $246, and you can have a look at the kind of traffic that I'm getting to this PDF document. Over 1,000 visitors today alone with 23 sales. All of this is completely free traffic, and the reason why this is working is because I'm giving away something for free. I'm taking these websites over here, turning this into a valuable PDF document, giving free value, and in return, people are reading through the document and signing up for the paid offer because they've already felt like they've been given free value, and the free value leaves them hanging and wanting more. So this strategy really works and converts really well. Without further ado, make sure to watch this video until the end so that you can go and see how to turn this website into a PDF document so that we can go and give away and make commissions online. It's all going to make sense. You don't want to miss any step of this video, as this is going to be a super valuable video on YouTube, plus minus about 15 minutes long. I recommend that you save this to your watch later if you can't watch this now, but I'm going to do a free giveaway in today's video as well. You can go down below to the first link or the second link in the description. You will be able to access a free Udemy course. It's called the Udemy Bullet course, which will teach you how to go and make money online on Udemy. So that is the second link in the description. All I would appreciate is leave a like, comment down below that you're ready, and make sure you're following this YouTube channel with the red notification bell on. And let's get straight into this video. By the time this video has been posted, you'll see I've posted on my Millionaire Mindset Plus YouTube channel over here. I'm turning this channel into a full-time trading channel where I'm going to document my trading journey. And turn a certain amount of money, for example $1,000, into $10,000 by the end of the month, and maybe into $100,000 by the end of the year. So if you want to go and follow this journey, make sure to come over to the third link in the description. Go and subscribe to this YouTube channel with the red notification bell on. The trading videos on my main YouTube channel here have the most success, meaning most of my viewers are getting the most success and making the most money off my trading videos, as I actually trade live and make money live and kind of give you a few signals and how you can read the markets. Really packed with value. So I really suggest go and follow this YouTube channel, and I'll see you over there. In order to create this free PDF is actually very simple. This won't take you very long, so make sure to keep watching with me, and I'll actually show you all of the websites over here. So the first website we're going to come over to is called clickbank.com. You need to sign up or log in with your account. Once you've done that, you need to click on the marketplace button on the top right over here, and it will take you to the marketplace here. On the left, you'll be able to see all the categories over here. We're going to come over to the health and fitness. The reason why I've chosen the health and fitness niche is because these products over here are getting some of the best sales on the internet overall of Clickbank. People seem to like this product. It's the best performing niche on Clickbank so far. And some of these products over here have reoccurring billing, meaning you will get paid passive income every single month. So this product over here is a very good example called Java Burn. So if you click on the link to the website, it's going to take you to this page over here, and you can go and purchase your product. So over here you can see you can buy different pouches over here. So what this means is every time someone comes to this website that you refer and buys this product, this website has what you call a cookie, which is a piece of program that is always linked to your affiliate link, where you will always get a commission for every sale. So if I buy, for example, a 1 pouch now under your affiliate link, and I come back 5 months later and buy another one, you will still get those commissions. So what we're going to do is we just want to go and turn this website into a PDF so we can go and edit that into a valuable ebook. So we're going to go and copy the link to this website over here. You can just go right click, copy. Come over to this website called Web to PDF. Come over to this website where you can convert web to PDF over here. Make sure to keep watching. I'm going to show you what it is now. You can paste that link here and click on this blue arrow over here, and it will automatically convert for you. Click on download the converted file, and this will then download to your PC. Now take a look at this. If I open this up, I've now turned this entire website into a valuable PDF. So over here you can see there's frequently asked questions, limited time offers, and then we've just got some terms and conditions over here. Now what we can go and do is we can actually go and give away this PDF as a free document. So for example, all this information over here is completely free info that people can go and read. And if they want to sign up for this product, they can just go and click on our affiliate link. Now we want to go and quickly edit this PDF to put in our affiliate link. So over here you can see this entire ebook we can now go and give away as a free document, free value on Pinterest, Reddit, Quora, all of these social media websites that gets tons of traffic so far. So what we're going to go and do is we're going to go and So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to Google and type in PDF editor and click on enter. Over here, we can come over to this first link. It's called sejda.com. By the way, the website we use to convert the website into a PDF is called web2pdfconvert.com. We're then going to upload our file over here, upload that same PDF, and you'll see we can now go and edit this PDF. Then we want to come back to Clickbank over here. We want to click on the promote button of our Java Bone product, and we want to go and get our affiliate link. Click on generate hop links. Over here, you can see your affiliate link has now been copied. Come back to the PDF editor, and you just want to go and highlight some of this text over here. For example, this line over here, just highlight it and go and paste your link over here and click on enter. Now this is a clickable link. We can then go and highlight this image over here as a clickable link, paste our link, click on enter. These buttons over here, we just want to highlight, put our affiliate link, click on enter. For example, this video over here, we want to highlight, paste our affiliate link and click on enter. So we want to make everything that's clickable on this page or on this PDF an actual link through our affiliate link. So we're going to scroll down some more. We can maybe highlight this section over here and just paste our affiliate link. Another good section we can highlight is maybe one of these text boxes over here. Let's just go and paste our affiliate link, click on enter. And for example, this section here we can highlight, paste our affiliate link, and again, we can highlight this entire section here, paste our link, and over here where it says 100% money back guarantee, we can paste our link here, and over here as well on all of these buttons, we can add our affiliate link. And there's one more section, maybe just the frequently asked questions section. Now that our affiliate link is throughout this PDF, when people download this PDF, read through it and want to click on these links or these buttons over here to go and have a look at this product or this free video, it will then take them through our affiliate link to this page over here where we will get $117 per sale that we make. So now that this PDF is ready, we can click on apply changes on the bottom of your screen over here. It will then process your new edited PDF document. Click on download over here, and this is now ready to go and promote. Then come over to Google and type in Google Drive, and we want to go and upload this to Google Drive to make a public shareable link. So we're going to click on the first link over here. We can click on go to Drive. You can create a new folder, click on plus new file upload and go and upload that same edited PDF. Click on the three dots on the right, click on share, and over here you will get your public shareable link. You just want to make sure that you've clicked on change anyone to share. Click on copy link, and now you can share this link with anybody on the internet. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over to Pinterest, and we're actually going to go and create a couple of Pinterest boards giving away this free PDF. Now this works really well as you can actually use an image on the front page of your Pinterest board. So we're going to go and log in with our account and go and set this up. Once you've logged in, click on the plus on the bottom right. We're going to click on create a pin, and we can go and add our title, description, and a destination link over here. So the first thing we do is we're going to go and upload our front image cover of this page. And to go and create this cover, we can quickly come over to canva.com and just write up a quick, simple design. So we can click on canva.com over here, and it's a free graphic design website. We want to go and look for Instagram story over here because that is the right resolution for a Pinterest cover. And all we can go and do is we just want to go and look for something that's got to do with fitness and weight loss. So we can go and click on this template over here, and all we want to do is just change this text to fast weight loss secrets. Delete this little small text here, centerize this, and go and click on download over here, and this is now ready for download. So this is as quick as it takes to go and design a simple little cover for Pinterest. Once this is downloaded, I'm just waiting for this to finish over here. We can come back to Pinterest, click on upload, and go and upload the same picture. For the title, we can go and type get your free PDF booklet on weight loss here. So this means the first thing that people are going to see is that this is a free PDF. So people are going to go and take the opportunity to go and click on this because they see it's free. For the description, we can go click here to download for free from the Google Drive. And then all we want to do is come back to Google Drive, copy our link, and go and paste that over here. For our destination link, we can add our Google Drive link. We can then go and save this pin over here, and it's now ready to go and post publicly on Pinterest. So once you click save, it's now saved to your pin board, and this will now start appearing publicly on the Pinterest Explore page. And the second thing we can go and do is we can come over to Quora.com over here, and we can go and post a question. So for example, we can click on Quora on the main website, go and log in with our account. We can click on add question over here, and we can start off with a question. What is the best way to lose weight? Go and click on add question, and what you can go and do is you can go and reply to your own question. Hey guys, I found this free PDF weight loss booklet which helped me lose a bit of weight in my first month. You're welcome to check it out. It's a free download on the Google Drive. Here is the link, for example. So when people see that it's a Google Drive link, they know you're not spamming them with affiliate links or anything like that, because everybody knows a Google Drive link is just a free download, and people will obviously click on that knowing it's a free PDF booklet to go and download without paying for anything. And thirdly, guys, we can go and use Facebook groups where we can find tons of communities with hundreds of thousands of people wanting to learn how to lose weight on a daily basis. Over here you can see weight loss and diet tips for women, fitness, exercise, weight loss and diet tips, weight loss USA. We can open up a couple of these groups in a new tab, so you can go right click, open in new tab or new window, and you want to go and join a couple of these groups. So for example, over here, we just want to go and give some free value on these groups. We want to go and ask a question. Hey guys, what for you has worked the best on ways to lose weight? And then what you can go and do is you can go type a couple of minutes or even an hour later. I did some research. I found this free PDF booklet that showed me how to lose weight. What do you think? People will then go and click on it, give you opinion, and if they want to go and sign up for that product, they will go and do so. So the whole point of this PDF is to go and give it away for free. You want it to seem organic. You don't want to go and just copy and paste and spam this link all over these groups. It's not organic. People won't click on it. You want to ask questions and actually engage with the group. Same with all of these groups over here. And remember, these groups have hundreds of thousands of members, so your post is going to be getting thousands of views on a daily basis. And what I'm going to do is to help you out even more, I'm going to give you access to my entire affiliate marketing playlist for free on YouTube, with over about 300 different videos that will teach you close to 300 different traffic methods that you can go and use with this PDF. So these are the best 300 videos that I've posted in the last 3 years on YouTube. I really recommend go and save this playlist. The information in this playlist consists of thousands of dollars worth of knowledge learned from various courses over the years. So what I suggest is go and click on this playlist over here, save it to your watch later, and I'll see you over here.